Welcome to today's tutorial on CSS. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you about the line height property in CSS. Okay, and the line height property in CSS is used to control the spacing between lines of text within an element. So we are going to be using the line height property to control the spacing. As we see, this is somehow like it is joined together. Okay, so we are going to be using the line height property to control the spacing, to try to create a sort of a space, okay, from this first line here to this second line to this third line and so on. Okay, so yeah, this is my source code. Okay, this is my source code, and I just change the font size to 18, and this is the p tag for it. Okay, now here I'm just going to make use of my line height property, line hyphen height. Okay, then here I'm going to just include let me say we have different values. We have we have number, we have pixels, we have we have percentage. So I'm just going to be saying, let me say 3.5. okay, now you see it now gives me a space of 3.5. okay, and to get this value here in pixels, we just have to do this. Open your calculator, just come here to say 3.5 times, here's my times here, okay, times this font here, which is 18. okay, now it says 63. okay, so 63 pixels. okay, yeah, I'm just going to copy that and paste and say pixels. okay, so you see it gave me the same exact line height. okay, so the next one here, we can also use pixels, just as you see here. I just use 63 pixels. okay, and apart from that, we can also use percentage. okay, so I can just say, let me use something like 100 or let me say 200%. okay, and you see now to get this one here in pesos, you just have to come to your calculator also, and let me clear this. And let's say the font size is 18. So 18 times 200%. Here's the percentage here. Okay, is equal to what? Is equal to what? 36. Okay, so yeah, let's see. 36 pesos. Okay. Okay, now you see 36 pesos. okay, so just know how to make use of this line height. okay, I think this one is somehow okay, or I can just come here and say, let me use 2.5. let me see 2.5. okay, and this line height makes your text more readable. okay, it makes the text to be readable. okay, and more okay to the eyes, or more appealing to to the eyes. okay, so this is just how to make use of your line height property in CSS.